Hey Otto, what are you doing with that yogurt pot?
I'm not gonna be a parent anymore. What is this? Lick your fingers.
He's trying to eat the rice cake at the same time.
No, I mean lick your fingers clean.
Oh yeah, I think that's probably hopeless.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Well, there goes the rice cake. You hear Dad? You getting a little cranky, huh? You're a bit tired, I think.
So dirty, you got flies going around it. Ew, you see it.
You see your daddy?